What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at a quick scalp I took on USDJPY off the 5-minute chart on May 17th. Now this was a very fast scalp. It was only 10 pips, but let's just go in and break this down for you guys so you understand why I'm taking this trade. So if we look in the past, we can see that we were in fact in a downtrend based off the 5-minute chart because market structure changed right here. So all I did was wait for price action to come back into this area, which it did. Now when this happened, it also formed a reversal pattern called a double top. Now if you don't know what a double top is, it's simply a market pattern that looks like the letter M. So when you see these, not always, because nothing in the market is 100%, but usually when you see these, this is a good chance that there's going to be a reversal. So when you add both of those together, we have pretty good confirmation that price is going to drop because price structure has already changed. We're now in a downtrend. We're getting a retracement into the retest of this structure point. And when that happens, we get a double top. Now, when we take a closer look at this double top, you'll notice that a lot of people started entering the market right here, right here, right here, and right here. So this also adds another confirmation to what I already suspect is going to happen, that the market is going to drop because everyone else is starting to see this as well, and they're starting to enter the market. Now this doesn't mean that we take our trades as immediately as soon as we start seeing all of these wicks and we understand that people are entering the market. It just lets us know that the market is about to start making some moves. So once I notice all of that, I go down to the 1-minute chart to get a really precise entry because I'm scalping. And when I scalp, I use a little bit higher risk, so I want to minimize my drawdown as much as possible. So when I go down to the 1-minute chart, I notice that there is an imbalance in the market right here with this candle. You'll see how this candle separates all of this price action from this price action over here. That's what I consider an imbalance. So when I notice that, I simply wait for price to come back into this imbalance to fill it to even the market back out. And you can see how price wicks right into it. And that's where I take my entry. And then as soon as that happens, you can see how price goes to my take profit. Now, if we go back to the 5-minute chart, you'll notice that my take profit is almost exactly the same as how I entered the trade. We have another imbalance over here with this candle. So I simply put my take profit at around the 50% mark, which is why this line is here to represent my take profit. And you can see how once price hit that, it gave us one more push, and price has pretty much just been consolidating ever since. So this was a little bit more of an advanced trade than I usually show, but it doesn't mean that you guys can't get trades like this too. You just have to take your time and be patient. You have to remember that all of this price action took place over 2 days. All right, so you have plenty of time to sit around and mark up your charts and be patient and wait for the trade to come to you. So if you guys have any questions over anything that I talked about in this video, just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out and maybe break it down in a little bit more depth. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories so you guys can see as soon as I enter these trades. With that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video.